Which double-sided industrial tapes are truly rated for high-heat applications? For extreme environments, 3M9077 and specialized VHB series are the clear winners, handling temperatures up to 540 degrees Fahrenheit. 3M9077 is the industrial standard for electronics, surviving solder reflow processes and peak heat up to 540 degrees. For structural bonding, 3M468MP and VHB GPH offer a permanent bond that handles short-term spikes between 400 and 450 degrees. When you need to bond silicone to metal, 3M9731 is the go-to differential tape for industrial gasketing. TESA 4965 is the European benchmark, offering excellent plasticizer resistance and peaks up to 392 degrees. When choosing, always match for your worst-case peak temperature to avoid long-term adhesive creep. The key is differentiating between short spikes and continuous exposure. Choose your tape based on that peak.